Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will evaluate 10 to the power cube plus minus 3 whole cube plus minus 7 whole cube is equals to what? So let's take a is equals to 10, b is equals to minus 3 and c is equals to minus 7. Fine. Now a plus b plus c, when we will add these terms, we will get 10 minus 3 minus 7, which will give us 0. So we know that when a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equals to 3abc. Fine. So now a cube, that is 10 cube, plus b cube, that is minus 3 whole cube, plus c, that is minus 7 whole cube, which is also our question, is equals to 3 into 10 into minus 3 into minus 7. Fine. Now first we will see the we will check the sign, that is minus into minus is plus, so our answer will be in positive. Now we will multiply 3 into 10 into 3 into 7, then that will give you 630 as your answer. Fine.